here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is inheritance and containment in Java. Today is 10th August 2022. Let's start with the today's video topic. What is inheritance? Yesterday only I have described everything about inheritance. Today I am going to give the information about containment or composition. What is the composition or containment in Java? So let's start with the inheritance. Basically, I give the small examples. With the help of that, we will understand what is the inheritance concept. So inheritance is the mechanism which gives us the interconnection between class 1 and class 2. So this is the whole concept about inheritance. I'll explain the basic concept what are the inheritance type and why we are using inheritance. We are using inheritance in Java because inheritance gives us the relationship between parent class and child class, relationship between driver class and subclass. So this is the main concept behind inheritance. What actually inheritance gives, or why inheritance only why inheritance used in Java? Because inheritance is process. Before inheritance process, there are process like we can use a method with different object. We can use a class for different behavior, so that with the help of inheritance we can use a particular class or a particular method for the different behaviors with the help of that similar class only. We can change their parameters and we get the output in different scenarios. So this is all about inheritance. Type of inheritance, there are five types. First one is single inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, third one is hierarchical inheritance, fourth one is multiple inheritance, and fifth one is hybrid inheritance. In Java, there are only three type of inheritance supported. Last two, it means multi-level and hybrid inheritance are not supported in Java. So let's start with the single inheritance. Single inheritance is nothing but the inheritance where a single class can connect or can communicate with the other one. So this is the single type of inheritance. It means there can be only two classes. Second one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level. What is the exactly it means? The name gives idea about the inheritance class. Multi-level, it means there can be a 2-3 type of levels, like first level, second level, third level. So it exactly implemented in our core exam our core or example like parent class, child class 1, child class 2. There can be a two classes like child class 1 and child class 2. So this is the multi-layer inheritance. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, in that inheritance there can be a uh, two or three more classes like parent class only. There will be only one parent class and there can be a two or three child classes. So they can extend the parent class with their different behaviors and different scenarios required to them. So this is the inheritance concept. This is all about inheritance. Let's start with the composition and containment. What is the containment? Containment is the simple approach where class A can be represented in a class B. It means, what exactly it means? It is the independency between class A and class B. So this is all about composition or containment. There can be a two name like composition first one and second one is containment. Both are similar. Both are working are similar. Composition has a relationship in between classes. So what exactly it means? Has a relationship in between. It means a class 1 or class A has a relationship between class B. What exactly it means? Class A object can be represented in a method of class B, or class B's object represented in the class A's method. So there can be a communication between these two uh, these two classes or these two methods. why we are using composition or containment in Java, because there can be two three advantages or important points. First one, reusability of code. What exactly it means? In the inheritance, in a certain scenario, it can be used by methods, but in some certain scenarios, only containment can be used for reuses of our method or reuses of our code. The main example is linked list. So second one, the um, cantonment or composition used to create or to change the parameters of your methods object, and there can be so many entities like fields in your methods with the runtime environment. What exactly runtime? It means we can change the values of your input at the time of your code running. So this is the main importance of your composition or containment. Third one is nothing but containment can be achieved with the help of two or three classes. It means class A can be represented in class B and class B can be represented in class C. That is why there is has a relationship between all these. So this is all about containment also. This is the basic information about today's topic from me. This is from me only. And thank you so much for today's topic.